Well, you see that? That's no good. I tell you, I got a Studebaker Champ here, and that radiator is just right at the door of being 60 years old. Well, here's the original radiator mount. It's kind of a U-shaped frame, and these lips right here on this channel, they went in about a ½ inch. And to get clearance for this radiator, which is a triple pass radiator, which should be superior cooling, according to the literature. But what I did is I cut it off on the inside and out. Water comes into this radiator. It has a divider right here. So it forces all the water across here. Then it comes down and hits this divider plate right here, then forces all the water to come back over here, and then it goes down, and then it comes out right here at the outlet going to the pump. This forces all of the water to go through the radiator 3 times, and I think that should be pretty good. This radiator is just a little bit smaller than what's in there, but with all this extra state-of-the-art science that they did on building this radiator, I think that should cover it. Well, I've flipped the radiator around, and this is the side that will be to the outside. And this radiator already has brackets on it. This is used. I had it on another project a while back. But what I did to get this radiator centered better in this frame, I spaced it out. There is a bracket that I'm gonna have to get. It's just a piece of round bar steel. I'll weld it here, bring it around, weld it up here, and that way the width from this side to the other, it's never going to change, because with these fenders pulling on it left and right, it's going to put some stress on it, and I don't want it stressing the core, and I'd rather it put tension on that steel rod that I'm going to put in there. Well, all right, here we are. We got the bracket. I believe I'm going to call this bracket pretty much complete. What I added was this support rod from left to right. That is very similar to what was on the original. And I've cleaned the brackets up here. I may do a little more cleaning right here, but everything is pretty close to where it's going to go. But anyway, guys, I tell you what, I think we're going to call that good on that radiator mount for now. It may take a little extra work once I actually install it, but I think I've got enough adjustment and give one way or another that we can make that thing work. So anyway, I appreciate y'all coming by the shop today. This is Rusty Glove Box, and I'm out of here.